Multiplication strategy 3, the hardware box. You use a box layout to multiply two big numbers together. You complete those boxes using basic facts and extending, or indeed unextending if necessary. This strategy works best when multiplying two numbers in the tens or hundreds, or two numbers that have got tenths or hundredths in them. In this case, we're going to be looking at this example. You buy fish and chips for all your friends. Fish and chips costs $4.85, and you have 13 friends. What's this generous offer going to cost you? So, first of all, we have to decide, is it $4.85 of 13 friends, or is it 13 friends of $4.85? Doesn't quite make sense either way, but it is 13 lots of $4.85, 13 lots of fish and chips. So we write out our sum, 13 lots of $4.85, and we lay out our box, two columns for 13, which breaks into 10 and 3, of course, three rows for $4.85, which breaks into $4.80 and 5. And we write those numbers in, so 10 and 3 is 13, $4.80 and 5. Remember, it's not 0.5, it's 0.05 because it's 5 hundredths or 5 cents, so they go into the hundredths column. Then we do our cross multiplication. 4 tens is easy, it's 40. 4 threes is easy, it's 12. 10 times 8 down here is 80, so we do 80, but of course it's not 10 times 8, it's 10 times 0.8, so we use the opposite extension ladder. Rather than taking the decimal point to the right, if we're multiplying by 10, we are dividing by 10, so the decimal point comes one place, because it's just tenths, so it just comes one place to the left. So 80 becomes 8. 8 threes are 24, write in 24. Again, there's the decimal point, but it's not 8 threes, it's 0.8 threes, so we have to move our decimal point one place again. So it moves into there and becomes 2.4. 10 fives is 50. In this case, the decimal point is going to move two places because it's not 0.5, it's 0.05. It's 5 hundredths. So the decimal point will move once and twice. So that will end up being 0.50. And lastly, 5 times 3 is 15. There's 15. And again, it's not 5 times 3, it's 0.05 times 15. So the decimal point has to move once and twice. Two places, that becomes 0.15. Adding it up, again, I would suggest adding it in stages. Personally, I add the whole numbers first. So we've got 40, 50, 52. Another 8 takes it up to 60. And another 2 takes it up to 62. So if you're adding up the whole numbers, you've got 62. Now here we have 4 tenths, 5 tenths, and another tenth. Well, 4 and 5 is 9, and another tenth actually makes that up to a whole. So we've got another whole 1. And lastly, here we've got 5 hundredths. It's not 5 tenths, those are the tenths, remember. This is in the hundredths place, so it's 5 hundredths. So we write it down as 5 hundredths, 0.05. And then if we add those three together, it's obviously 63.05. And that's our answer. $63.05 is what it's going to cost you for all that fish and chips.